I have 10 plus things that you should be buying from the Dollar Tree in February. I've got some goodies for you, from Valentine's Day and to some special surprises. Starting us off are some typical Valentine's Day goodies. We got headbands, we got some really cute fuzzy socks. By the way, my daughter loves these. I love these paper cups. I'm going to show you here in just in a second how I like to use these in my home. You could have the best Valentine's Day party ever. You could have a kid's party, you could have an adult party, you could just make little treats for your neighbors, your friends, your churchgoers, anyone that you can think of. I was so impressed. I love these fortune cookies. I love putting these in my kids' lunches with a really sweet note on them. Here's a list of some of the different sayings in these fortune cookies. You make me smile, you're so sweet. My kids love just opening these during their day to put a smile on their face, and it's fun for them to share with their friends at the lunch table as well. Just put this with all of my lunch making goodies, making the mundane just a little bit more fun. These are so fun for kids, candy, snacks, and great for portion control. Thumbs up if you love grapes. These would also be great in lunch boxes to help separate items. If you haven't, be sure to get your Valentine's Day cards at the Dollar Tree. The best prices around for the quality. I like this one right here. I like you a latte. Don't tell my husband, but this is going to be his Valentine's Day card. So cute. The detail, absolutely love it. Moving on to these Peeps. I need to know in that comments box below, how many of you like Peeps? I absolutely hate them, but I do appreciate all the different varieties that they have here this season at the Dollar Tree. So if you love yourself some Peeps, now's the time to grab them. Heading on over here to this Welcome to Our Home DIY letter board. This was so adorable. You could put basically anything that you want to on this DIY letter board. You could put it in your house, you could put it in your bedroom, you could put a funny saying in your bathroom, and of course the Dollar Tree candles. I love going here every month just to see what new flavors and varieties that they have. These are great for a bathroom or kitchen. We have the French toast, we have the Bartlett pear. Nothing like making your home feel very cozy, especially during the winter months. Here in the Midwest, it is so cold. Now, I am loving these Dollar Tree goodies, these iPads. We also have a pumice stone and nail file kit. I'm going to show you something here in just a second that really impressed me with my local Dollar Tree. Now, you can see up here, we also have some really huge bath bombs, and bath bombs can get really pricey if you buy them at Target or other retail stores. And then these bath fizzies, my kids absolutely love these. Now look at this. It is a whole kit from the Dollar Tree. My Dollar Tree actually had baskets out showing you exactly what you could put inside of these spa gift baskets. And there's so many different colors of baskets. I love this bath soap sponge here. You have a nail file, we have a glove, we have nail polish, bath fizzers. You could have a whole fun-filled day with all of these Dollar Tree goodies, and the price point is absolutely phenomenal here. Yes, 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 my friend. They made it real easy for us this time of year. Moving on to the gardening section. I looked at this bulb and I thought to myself, what in the world is this? I've seen these, but I didn't exactly know what it was for. And I thought to myself, I have got to try this watering stake. This plant is very temperamental. If I forget to water her after a couple days, her leaves will droop entirely. In fact, I normally need a babysitter for her when I go away for a long weekend, but not anymore. Check out these stackable planters. I have never seen these before in my Dollar Tree. These 3-tier, and it came in multiple colors. But then let's talk about this rolling planter, again in multiple colors. We have this cream sort of beige color, we have a green one, and then we have more of an orange color. So let's take this home and see if this actually works. Whee! Woo-wee! Now I will say in theory this is a great idea, especially if you wanted to put a pressure cooker on here or something else in your pantry, such as this big jar of protein. However, it doesn't really roll the greatest. I mean, it does to some extent, so I don't know. This is a toss-up for me. I saw these massive candy jars and I got really excited. Look at how huge this is. You could put so many other different things in here besides candy. You can put fruit snacks, you could put fruit, you could put gadgets. The possibilities really are endless. Both are great for different reasons. These hanging baskets really impressed me here. Now is the time to start thinking about spring. I am very excited for warm weather. Thumbs up if you can relate to that one. Now, if you're looking to wrap baskets, I highly recommend the Dollar Tree baskets. You can see here I have one in red, but they also make them in a clear coat as well. And then this gold bag, again, so impressed with the quality on this. I never buy my bags or gift stuff anywhere else than the Dollar Tree. And again, the gold, you gotta love it. And here is that basket bag to make your wrapping so much easier. I don't typically tend to buy a lot of baskets from the Dollar Tree, but if you need a good mop bucket, Dollar Tree is where it's at. But check out these blue and black narrow baskets. This is going to be great for my boys' room. I love all things black. It just looks so chic. It goes with everything. And this size basket has tended to hold up relatively well compared to some of the other baskets. And of course, these drawer organizer ones, again, in the black, in the white, these ones have held up very nicely as well. I use them in my bathroom and I love that there's a grip on the bottom of it. We can do better than that. Much better. And a great space saver. If you're looking for a great space saver, check out these stackable bins. They have it also in the blue and the gray. And of course, the candle votives. Looking always to see what new votives they have on hand. I love these speckled paint ones. And oops, look at that. I just dropped a gold pumpkin on the floor. Have no fear, my friend. I will go ahead and pick that up. But they were so beautiful. This would go any time of year, any season. Oh my word, when I saw this massive to-do list, I got overwhelmed, but then I immediately thought, this is absolutely genius because you could just go ahead and take a dry erase marker and erase everything. I love to get everything out of my head and onto paper. When I saw these cute Dollar Tree scissors, the Jot brand, I got very excited because I am a fan of Dollar Tree scissors. I will say this handle is very comfortable. It cuts excellent and it also works for lefties, which is a bonus. I may just have some new kitchen scissors. Ah, it's so cute. Now heading over to the tech section at the Dollar Tree, these cable protectors. I have not used these myself, but they were so adorable. Look at these animals right here. I've had my fair share of frayed cords from pulling them in and out of my cell phone. So if you've tried these, let us know in the comments box below if they have worked for you. And again, this clip-on book light, I bought this in a previous video and my daughter still uses it in the car to do her homework to and from practices. Let me just show you here. If you're wondering about that, I made a previous video on it, but let's just turn this on. You can see how nice and bright that is. It is lightweight and it has held up for several months. If you're interested in spicing up your toilet, I will link that video in the description box below. If you've never bought a Dollar Tree pillowcase, I highly recommend it. They have so many cute patterns, and when I saw these beautiful blue colors, I thought this would be amazing for my boys' room, also great for guest rooms. I've washed these pillowcases several times now and they have held up very nicely with my two small boys, especially considering the $1.25 price tag. I have a cupcake carrier, but not yet a cake carrier. For $1.25, this price cannot be beat. And the best part about it is that you don't have to worry about your cake getting smashed. If you've made a homemade cake and you're going to a party, you want to make sure it tastes and looks good. Oh, these scent boosters. Now, I've seen mixed reviews on these, so I definitely had to give them a try myself. I will say my laundry room does smell very nice. All the beads have dissolved, so that's an excellent sign. I'm gonna take these out just a little bit early so that we can get a good whiff. I have to say, can you smell it? I am impressed. It smells very nice. I love it. If you open this up and take a whiff right of the can, yes, it's gonna be very powerful and pungent, but the scent does dissolve slightly when you wash your clothes in it. I am team thumbs up for this. You know I love all things cleaning, so you know when I saw this foaming garbage disposal cleaner in the lemon scent, I absolutely had to try this. Eliminates odors and easy to use. Let's see. For very soiled disposals, use 2 doses of cleaner. You can also use this just to freshen your sink. That does smell nice. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. I almost jumped up and down a Dollar Tree when I saw the Super Oxygen Bathroom Cleaner. I have this in the Kaboom, but let's see how the Dollar Tree version holds up. Lately, I've been using this to clean out my kitchen sink, but it's nice to have something a little different in your arsenal to make cleaning a little more interesting. I made a previous video on this using Kaboom, but let's just see how this one measures up. I love that it turns blue. This is great, especially if you are an antsy cleaner, because you have to let the product sit until it turns white to its original color, and it does smell nice. When you have fun products, it makes it more enticing to clean. A huge shout out to Julia and your super thanks. Thank you so much for supporting this channel. Now you certainly can buy the Kaboom, but if you're looking to save a little money, I do love this Dollar Tree Super Oxygen Bathroom Cleaner. Yes, it's for your bathroom, but you can use it so many other places. And again, if you're an antsy cleaner, I think this is great because you're forced to let the product sit and do its job. If you want to see some more amazing kitchen gadgets, click the video on screen now, thumbs up, subscribe, and I will see you, my friend, in the next one.